again, everybody. It's Toronto Guy here for another terrific episode. Let me shut this cupboard over here. There. Episode of Toronto Guy Cooks. I'm very excited today because today we're gonna you see I'm stuttering all over myself because I'm excited. Calm down. I shouldn't look directly like up here, because I've said before the phone that I use to record these is hanging outside of a cupboard, and right now in my cupboard I'll show you. I have some of this. It's like a big whole bunch of like weed. So yeah. So anyway, but I'm not excited about that. I'm excited about this. Today we're making dude food. Okay, because fall is coming, and that's when dudes do dude stuff. It's football season, hockey season, basketball season. It's dude season. I guess the girls can participate too. Fine. But today we're going to be making a very simple yet awesome dude food pizza pull-apart bread. We're going to use some pizza dough. This is ready-made pizza dough I got from the supermarket. For those of you who live in Ontario, maybe even all of Canada, I got this at No Frills. That's where you can get it. Or if you want to be really ambitious, you make it on your own. 1/3 cup of olive oil. We got about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. A whole bunch, 400 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. And a nice big fat package, 175 grams of cooked pepperoni. And we're going to be making it in a Bundt pan. That's Bundt. That's spelled B-U-N-D-T. A Bundt pan. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our pizza dough, which is already pre-made, as I said. Don't want to grab too big, but then again, whatever. And we're gonna roll it. We're gonna get our hands a little greasy. We're gonna make a whole bunch of little pizza dough balls. And that's how we're gonna start. It's simple as that, man. Just watch it. You don't want to put too much friggin' oil on it. Now, you notice I put the oil in a little bowl. That's because you don't want to just take a whole big jar of oil and be like, okay, more. You could end up using a whole giant jar of oil. So just 1/3 cup of oil. There you go. You don't even need to grease the pan, the Bundt pan, because it's gonna be like all the oil balls are gonna be all over it. So yeah. So that's what we're gonna do here. This is about 905 grams, also known as 16 ounces of pizza dough. And we're just gonna roll it into little balls, put it in our Bundt pans, as we're right now making the bottom layer of our pull-apart dude food pizza bread, baby. I've made this before. I've made it with the same ingredients I'm using today. Damn it, I'm just so excited. I'm knocking everything over. Made it before with the same ingredients I'm using today, the mozzarella and the pepperoni. I've also made it deluxe. I mean, just whatever kind of pizza you like, that's what ingredients you add. The main thing is the pizza dough. All right, so we're gonna keep doing this as we make a bunch of little balls, and we make the bottom layer in the Bundt pan with oil. Yeah, so let's fast forward as we do this. Alright, so there we go. That's good enough. Now you might be thinking, what's going on, Toronto guy? Well, don't worry, it's bread, it's dough, it's going to expand. I've made this before several times, just deal with it. Now we're gonna start adding our inserts, our insidey parts. Let me just clear my hands of the oil first. Alright, our hands are clean with oil, clean of oil. What I forgot to mention at the beginning, preheat the oven, 375 Fahrenheit. Yeah, 375 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. Now, we're going to add our cheese and our pepperoni. We're just gonna be like, yeah, just go ahead. Yeah, man. Just do it like a man. Just like throw it all over the place. Yeah. As I said, I made this before. It's really, really good. Simple to make. I mean, granted, it is bread. It's not exactly, like gluten-free shit. But there's a meme going around that's been going around for a little bit about, how after like 5,000 years of eating bread, all of a sudden everybody's allergic to gluten. Like, come on, man. I even played that gluten card, but I was doing it to impress a female. And guess what? It was a waste of fucking time. Gluten is awesome. All right, let's just lay on some pepperoni. I'm gonna cover modestly or liberally, whatever word you want to use. Don't worry about any pepperoni sticking out. That'll cook. That'll also get covered by the cheese and the bread in the Bundt cake. Now we're gonna add some, let's add a little bit of our garlic powder. All right. Just sprinkle it on over the place in a nice little circle like that. That's good. Let's add some of our cheese. Oh, baby, this is gonna be, I'm so friggin' pumped. Don't worry about it spilling over, okay? Don't worry about it, because it's gonna all cook and shape and form in the Bundt pan, and it's gonna come out awesome. Trust me, I've made this before. I am the king, okay? So that's another layer. We're gonna add more pepperoni because we're gonna fill it, because it is, after all, dude food, and dudes like to eat food, man. Unless, of course, you're a pansy who is supposedly allergic to gluten, in which case you don't have to eat this. By all means, go out, find a nice patch of grass, and chow down. All right, let's add some more pepperoni, man. Let's use this whole bag of pepperoni, man, because I'm a meat lover and I'm a dude and I like dude food. So anyway, it's Labor Day weekend, man. This is actually Friday. You're not going to be watching this video till like Wednesday next week. So hope everybody had a lovely Labor Day. I know I will. I mean, I'm off, long weekend. I got all this plant life to experiment with. So it's going to be a very great weekend for Toronto Guy. Ah, love it, love it, love it. How much more pepperoni? Let's add more, man. We got so much more pepperoni for our dude food. Love it. All right, now we're gonna add the final bits. No, let's add the rest of the garlic powder on top of the cheese. We're gonna add the last final bit of the cheese. Oh, dude food, baby. I'm a dude and I like food, baby. Oh, I mean, what time is it? It's 3:55 p.m. Eastern right now, right? So I went to work today. I'm home. I picked up when I needed to make the dude food here on Toronto Guy Cooks, and now I'm making this. People could have come home to this, whether it be a girlfriend or a wife or a couple of bratty little kids, even though school starts next week. But no, all this dude food is going to the dude, aka Toronto Guy. So now let's finish up our final layer with more pizza dough. You don't have to make it a perfect ball, just like pieces. Make sure it's covered nicely enough with the olive oil. And then it's ready for the oven, baby. Love it. So let's continue covering it up. I forgot to add the rest of the garlic powder. Let's add it now. Not too much. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, let's use all of it. Let's do way too much, man. Let's do way too much because damn it, it's dude food. All right, so that's good. That's good. Might need to put some olive oil on the part right there where the garlic powder went in, so that's fine. Don't worry about it. Let's finish our top final layer. Well, this is actually going to be the bottom layer. When this is all made, we're going to flip it over and take it out of the Bundt pan, and there we go. But don't worry if it doesn't cover the whole thing. As I said, it's dough. It's going to spread out. It's going to be freaking awesome. I've made it before. I'm Toronto Guy. Patreon.com/Toronto Guy. Come on, man. Give me money. Give me money because you love me. Or because you hate me. Give me money out of spite and say, hey, Toronto Guy, I'm only going to give you $1 because I hate you. And I'll be like, well, that's not cool. I'll try better, but thank you. Haha! So let's finish this up, man. Let's finish up our final layer of our lovely Bundt cake, Bundt pan. Pull apart pizza bread. I'm so pumped. Long weekend. I'm going to have dude food. I'm gonna have plant life, and nobody to nag on me. That's another great thing about the single guy life, man. Like, I'm making this, it's all for me. Don't have to worry about any girlfriend or wife or little kids being like, what the hell, man? I'm like, yeah, shut up, eat it. As in, I'm gonna eat it. So there we go. Let's spread it out a bit. Spread it out. Lovely. Lovely. Doesn't have to be totally covered. As I said, it is dough. It will expand. It's all fine. Awesome. There we go. Oven is preheated to 375. Let me wash the grease off my hands. All right. So that's that. Should I put anything else on it? I have all these, we'll keep it simple. I was going to say, I have all these spices. I have basil and stuff and oregano. Keep it simple, but as I said, you can make it however you want. If you're a deluxe fan, use deluxe. If you're a vegetarian, just do veggie with cheese. It's that simple. So here we go. about 30 to 40 minutes in the oven at 375. I'm gonna do mine for 35, and then we're gonna take it out and we're gonna look at it, and well, you guys are gonna have eye sex with it, whereas I'm gonna have mouth sex with it. That's right. I'm gonna put my mouth on it and eat it. All right, there we go. Into the oven. Timer to 35 minutes. There we go. And I guess we'll be right back with our dude food pull apart pizza bread right after this very important public service announcement. Just waiting for a second here. Just waiting. Smells really friggin' good in here. Really, really good. Dude food. There we go. All right. It has been 40 minutes. I added 5 minutes. I decided to go 40. So now, it smells good in here. Holy moly. Let's take out our dude food pull apart pizza bread and let's take a look at it. All right. Oh, punch me in the face with your pizza love. Oh, golden brown. You can't really tell in the camera, but golden brown. You hear the sizzle. You see the cheese bits up there. They've been cooked. Everything's awesome. Everything's, oh boy. Now what I want to do, I want to take it, I want to flip the bun to the pan and get it out. It should just basically come out because it was all olive oil anyway. And then I want to take this whole big wooden cutting board, take a picture, come back, cut it up, show you, take a picture, come back, tell you all to, stop being pissed as usual. All the usual shit. All right, so now let's flip it over. Give me my little Kermit mouth. All right, let's flip it over. All right, so there we go. I got it out. You have to let it cool for a bit. Oh, it's golden brown. Let me raise it to the camera at least. As you can see, you see down in the middle, the cheese is oozing out. Hey man, it's dude food. It's fine. I'm gonna take this and look at the, I don't know if you can tell. Look at the cheese. All cheesy on the sides. Oh man. Let me take a picture of this real quick. I'll be right back. All right, so the picture is taken. You can see there's even more cheese that oozed out. Hey, it's all good, but it tastes good. Oh my God, the cheese is oozing out. Shut up. If you got a problem with the cheese oozing out, where's the knife? There's the pointy knife. You got a problem with the cheese oozing out? Then you ain't got any right to eat dude food. All right, now, we're gonna take a piece out with our awesome Miracle Blade slicer knife. Oh, it's still hot and warm and soft. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. You have some of the bread. Bready. All right. Let me take this piece here. There we go. Cheese is still oozing out the middle. Doesn't matter. Hey, it's pizza, man. Is that all good? Piece of pepperoni come out. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Now it's probably too hot to pick it up, but damn it, let me get a spatula. Okay, so let's grab it. Now usually, of course, you'd eat these with your hands. You'd let it cool. But damn it, I want to take the picture. Here's it is. Let me get the picture. So like the cheese and the pepperoni is all in there. Oh, let me take a bite of it. Look at all the pepperoni that got missed, man. I think I may have overstuffed it, but you get the basic idea. Oh, let me take. This is so good. It's good food. You know what? You know what I need? Like this would be the one time where I would use Jimmy sauce for dipping. You know, any kind of pasta sauce. Get some cheese sauce. You take it, you dip it, you pass it around to your dudes and say, "Hey, dudes, dude food." All right. So, that's too good, man. Let me take this whole thing. Let me take another bite. Oh my God. Oh, dude food is so awesome. I'm gonna take this and take a picture. I'm gonna insert it right here. And there you have it. Pull apart pizza bread. Admittedly, I stuffed it a little too much with too much awesomeness inside. So obviously, I've figured that instead of flipping it upside down, since the thickest part of the dough was on the quote top, instead of flipping it, just don't flip it. You know what I mean? Take it out of the Bundt pan and then flip it back with the dough that was on the bottom of the Bundt pan on the top. And there we go. But there we go. Use a little too much, but damn it, dude, food. Shut up. But this is the basics. It's amazing. If you don't want the ooey gooiness coming all out of the pizza bread, by all means, don't stuff it like a dude would. I'm a dude. I stuff it with everything because, damn it, dude food. This has been Toronto Guy, patreon.com/Toronto Guy. Try out dude food. The pizza bread. Give me money on Patreon. And as usual, if you're pissed off about shit you see it online, that's a signal to get the hell offline. Stop following people on Twitter and Facebook who are pissing you off, because you're wasting your time being angry. That's why Toronto Guy doesn't do rant videos anymore, because damn it, I'm not going to contribute to all of you angry people staying angry. So if you want to hear me rant, join my Patreon. I just uploaded a recent podcast that was just over an hour long, in which case I ranted. There's going to be more stuff coming to Patreon, exclusive stuff. I want to review the Friday the 13th movies. I want to talk about stuff. And yeah, patreon.com/Toronto Guy. This has been Toronto Guy Cooks. Enjoy dude food. Hope you had a lovely Labor Day weekend. I'm going to partake in some plant life and then partake in some more dude food. So go away and have a lovely day.